Here we are, everybody. This is the K0 Max from Keychron. It's a wireless numpad, and it's a low-profile board. You can essentially use this as a macro pad. Not much has changed in their packaging. Manual that I'll never read. A couple different functions, whatever, figure that out. It comes with a C to A cable. We have the converter dongles, a C to A converter, and this is just the wireless dongle. Screwdriver, if we want to take it apart, cool. And a combo keep cap switch puller in a new packaging. Okay, let's get to our guy. Oh, this is so little. I knew it was little, but this is great. Let's get this other microphone here so you can hear something. So we've got 3 Bluetooth connections and the 2.4 dongle. We've got 5 macro keys, a volume knob. This is for 2.4 gigahertz. That's for Bluetooth. That's for cable. What I'm most excited about for this one is the wireless. This is my K0 numpad, which just sits on my desk. I never use it because I have to have it plugged in. Just simple numpad. I do like it, but it just sits. This is going to have so many more features that I can use all the time. And it's wireless, so I can just put it off to the side and then pull it out. And this is great. Man, I'm excited about this.